Good evening. Today is Tuesday, March the 7th, 2023. Before the moral lesson, very briefly summarize important subject that we discussed during the dinner time. I also will naturally come, to the connection of what we are talking about, the morality principle that we will introduce tonight. One important subject that I want to summarize is regarding currently in the human world, there are still quite a lot of, challenges. The war, the earthquake, the global pandemic. As a matter of fact, about the global pandemic, some people think that it's pretty much gone. And, mask mandate, social distancing mandate, vaccination, all those emergency procedures that we were encountering in 2020 now seems to be very far away from us. We come back to normal living situation. But I just want to say that, as a matter of fact, do not think that it is over. Particularly at this moment, every one of us need to understand that maybe some people that we love dearly in our heart, they actually are facing the greatest danger. And if they don't know the truth, we're not going to be able to help them. We're going to lose our most beloved family members. So if by today, in your mind, you still have faith, blind faith in modern science, and you still want to appease ideologies such as atheism, evolution theory, communism, socialism, and all kinds of poisonous modern notions, I would say that you're in great danger. Maybe you're not going to make it. You think you are safe with vaccination. You think that right now the disaster is over and you can now go back to party and live the way that you used to live. I would say that at this point, you shall dedicate every day of your life to do your inner work. This is the reason that I stand here and every day work with Mr. Shim to deliver moral lessons one after another nonstop. Why I'm doing so? Because I know that if you can listen to our moral lessons carefully every day, our moral lessons are cleaning up all those poisons in your system. And this is the ultimate mask. This is the ultimate vaccination that you can receive to make you able to survive into the future. And if you don't pay attention to the truth and you continue to follow all those poisonous ideology, your body actually is poisoned. Your behavior is actually wrong. And then every day you are still continuously sliding down and dragging down by that dark substance called karma. And sooner or later, you will be taken by death. This is serious. So if you love your dad, tell your dad to repent and say no to communism, especially Chinese Communist Party, and to repent for all the wrongdoings that he has done in terms of saying praising words about the CCP and saying defamation against Falun Gong, and continuously benefit from the American communist system, those so-called free stuff. The moment your dad continuously is being dragged down by those dark forces, you cannot keep him and you cannot save him. And you yourself, if you were part of the communist system and once upon a time became the CCP young pioneer, and today you are in America, but you still refuse to renounce it, you are in great danger as well. And now if you have your children who love you, and you're supposed to take care of your husband, and you're supposed to take care of your mother, your father, and also you have all those beloved sisters and cousins in China, and look up towards you, and if you refuse to follow the truth and continuously being arrogant and refuse to listen to the truth, maybe the greatest danger is awaiting you as well. So today I just want to speak up my heart, to tell someone in my heart who is very precious, but I'm very concerned that this lady is not doing well. And maybe this is the opportunity through my speech today, I will be able to awaken my beloved sister in my community, and I send my best wishes.